Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend. It's Wednesday, the 2nd of November. Let's look back at the trades that we've got on at the moment. And first and foremost, we've got gold. Gold has started to pop a little bit towards the beginning of this week. For me, I still think that this trend remains in play. We could still see a move back in towards this 1677 mark, which is the prior lows that we have back here in early 2021, and this descending trend line. But ultimately, I think that's likely to be a short-term move. I don't see this one breaking as things stand, because I do think that we're likely to see the US dollar come back into prominence. So happy to keep this trade open and expect to see near-term upsides sold into once again. And then looking at the trade that I was mentioning last week, we have seen the DAX rebound a little bit more, but ultimately we still remain within this bearish trend. 135.71 is your near-term area of resistance. We have got this wider 76.4 Fibonacci at 134.65 coming into play here. So I think there's a good chance that we do see this market roll over. Keep an eye out for this stochastics, and a move below that 80 threshold gives us a sell signal that in the past has been very timely in terms of a market top, and would point towards this being a very good moment for us to be able to sell the DAX.